Hello children, this is your maths class and we finished assignment 10 and with that chapter percentage is done. Now let us do a quick revision, okay, what all things you learned. So what is the first point you learned? You learned that cent means what? 100, right? And what does percent means? Per 100, right? And as fraction you will write 20% means 20 by 100. And what is the, that is you will write it as 20%. And what is the sign you use for percent? You will write it as 20. This is the percentage sign, right? Then you learn to convert a fraction into percentage by multiplying the fraction by 100. That is, you are having a fraction like this. If you want to convert into percentage, you will write it as 1 by 2 into 100%, right? And then 2 you can cut here, you will get 50%, right? Then next you learn to convert a decimal number into percent by multiplying it by 100. That is, if you are given 0.7, you will write it as 0.7 into 100%. Okay, that will give you 70%. So 0.7 is what? 70%. Okay. Then what did you learn? To convert a percentage into a decimal number by dividing it by. So a decimal number into percentage you will do how? You will multiply it with 100. And if you have to do the mere opposite, that is, if you have to convert a percentage into decimal, you will divide it by 100. That is, here as an example it is given, if it is 39%, this is equal to what? 39 divided by 100. So this you will get the answer as 0.39. So 0.39, 39% as decimal number, it will be 0.39. Okay. Then you learn given percentage of a number, that is, how will you find 5% of 200? How will you find? You will write 5 by 100 into 200. Then you will find it out. You will get the answer as 10, right? You learned this. Then what did you learn? If 20% of a number is 80, then the number is, how will you find out? That is, 20% of a number is given and you have to find the number. If 20% is 80, then the number is what? How will you find? Number is 80 divided by 20%. Okay. This you will write as how? 80 divided by 20 by 100. You will write the reciprocal, 80 into 100 by 20. This you can cut, you'll get 4 here, 400. Right, like that. That also you have learned. If any percentage of a number is given, then how will you find the number? You will divide the value given by the percentage it represent, then you will get the number. Okay. So this was a quick revision. Then they have think. They have given 2 word problems, that is 10% of Manda's salary is given. What is his salary? So here same way, a percentage of the salary is given. So you have to find the salary, means you will have to what? 15,000 divided by 10%. That is 15,000 divided by 10 by 100. That is 15,000 into 100 by 10. Okay, that way you will find out. Then in class test, Neeta scored 16 marks, then out of 20 in English, 19 out of 25 in maths, 48 out of 15 marks in science. In which subject did he score? Did Neeta score? In which subject was her performance the best? So you'll have to find the percentage of each. That is 16 by 20, right? In English, that you have to find the percentage. For each subject, you will find the percentage, and which is having higher percentage, that will be the best performance. Okay. So this you can do in your rough book. It is not part of your syllabus. It is related to your syllabus. Okay. So if you want, you can do it in your notebook. It is not compulsory. Okay. So you can do this as a homework also. Think. Question 1 and 2 you can do as homework. Okay. In your notebook. Okay. Then mental maths. That is fraction is given, percentage, decimal. All these are just related to your syllabus. Okay. So this is just extra work done which is related to the syllabus. That is whatever you learned in this chapter. Okay. You can do one thing. We did a quick revision. Think question 1 and 2 you can do as homework. Okay. That is month's salary is given. I will give a message under the video. You will do these two as homework. Okay. So with that, this chapter is done. So next day we'll start a new chapter. Okay. Till then, bye children.